both your hands.
Oh, shit.
Okay, ride with both your hands over this, because that way, if you steer, you're not going to brake.
Okay.
Okay, go for it.
Nailed it. Nailed it. Yay.
That was a heck of a ride.
That was
Fun.
crazy. It'd be Doug and Brenna, I think. Oh, Jen, yeah. I don't see her yet.
There she is.
Oh, there she. I'm looking at the wrong line. Woo! That was the rush, wasn't it?
Yeah. I even remember to look to the left.
Not a bad view at all.
No, it's gorgeous.
Mom, I kept on spinning around. I didn't.
We saw you spin.
Pretty good view.
Did you like it?
Oh yeah. That was You get to see everything.
It was
when you're
cool
just
though,
spinning
right?
around. Scary because I was spinning and I was trying to stop it.
Wow, look at them. That's way up there.
Did you have fun?
I came in backwards.
No, you won't.
It'd be kind of like when you do the back float in the pool.
I'm happy that I didn't.
Because it's connected right here, so you just be laying out flat.
But we have to break on the next one because the next one is pretty fast. I think that
Yeah, Brenna and Doug. Did you love it?
Oh, kind of.
I screamed most of the way.
I heard
We
something.
heard you scream. We thought it was your dad though.
No, it was a girl
Who else
scream.
needs to come?
John and Caitlin.
And the leader. Do you know how to type on my helmet? It nearly fell off.
Hold on a minute.
Gabby and Kaylin.
You hear him?
All I hear is the scream of the...
That was pretty fast.
It was very fast. Woohoo!
Man.
Yeah, did you scream?
My eardrum.
Were you screaming?